I may be a bit late to the party, but Galaxy AI has come to techsceneza. So, hey guys, you guys would have remembered me talking about the S24 launch. We put out the whole blog post, and I was lucky enough to get a hold of the S24 Ultra. It was a little late. It came out with the pre-order around mid-Feb, but here we are. Let's go ahead, unbox it, and have a look. So, straight out the box, what do we get? As soon as we open the box, we open it up, the first thing we are met with is the S24 Ultra, the phone itself. At the top of the cover, and this is a very unique approach to packaging of the phone, where the phone is in the main housing, and then on the lid you have the additional documents as well as the charging cable, which also comes with it, and the SIM ejector tool. Apart from the documents and the cables, now let's take a look at the phone itself. So, as we anticipated, it is taking a very much flat design approach compared to the rest, or the S23 Ultra and all of the others. You can see the top is very much square. The edges are rounded off. It is a full titanium build. At the back, you can see we have our 5 cameras as well as our 200 megapixel camera. So that's one of the things I'm very excited to try out. This is actually my first interaction with such a high megapixel camera, because the highest I've come across is like a 64 megapixel in the S21, which now has become my daily driver. But that's a story for another day. In terms of the S24 Ultra, comes included with the S Pen. Yeah, there you can see S Pen, USB Type-C, as we know. In South Africa, it's retailing in 4 colors. Titanium black, titanium yellow, titanium gray, as well as titanium violet. In terms of size variations, on the official Samsung South Africa website, they are retailing the 256 model and the 512 model. The 256 retails for about 30,000 Rand, 29,999, or you can take it roughly on contract, which is 2,815 Rand a month on a 24-month contract. And the 512 version, which is what we actually have the 256. The 512 version retails for 35,000 Rand. That is about 32,855 per month. I haven't seen anyone retailing the 1 terabyte model just yet, so I don't know if it's come into the market as of yet or what. So we've said about the awesome camera that I'm looking forward to testing out. The phone itself, right? The feel. It's a very different feel compared to what I'm used to. It's not that heavy for its size, and it's a very different look because of that square finish on the screen. It's almost like it's boxed in. Apart from the physical stuff like the camera and everything else, one of the other things that I'm most excited to try out and test out is the AI functionality. Circle to search, the AI text conversion, and even the conversation conversion. I'm most excited about that. But guys, we have it in our hands, and honestly speaking, you know, this wouldn't have come out if it wasn't on a cover. So we already have it in a cover. So, I mean, this is an awesome phone to have. Now, all I have to do is test it out and try it out, and then come back to you guys with what are my thoughts of using the S24 Ultra. But guys, thank you very much for joining us for this unboxing and a quick overview and walkthrough of the S24 Ultra. You guys can stay tuned for the full review coming very, very soon. And if you aren't already subscribed, to get notified when that video does come out, make sure you hit the subscribe button in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and looking forward to the full review of the S24 Ultra, make sure you leave a like rating. Guys, as always, thank you very much for watching. My name is Prashant and I'll catch you in the next video.